Alright, doing diagnostic on this GE refrigerator. And got a bad water inlet valve assembly. That's the condenser coil back there. Condenser coil is cold to the touch. This unit has a defective seal system issue. You can see the high side of the compressor. Not able to get over 100 psi. So it is low in refrigerant. And also the condenser fan assembly that's in the back here that needs to be replaced as well. That is going defective. That fan back there. It was barely moving when I came. So that needs to be replaced, as well as the water inlet valve. And the compressor assembly with the valve coil. This thing is running at about 130 something degrees. So it's been running 24 hours just trying to get the unit to temperature, but it's not able to. That's the condenser coil back there. That's supposed to be ambient plus or minus 30 degrees. It's 81 degrees. Way too cold. Yeah, so that's what needs to be done on the unit. It was built in 2007. Yep, so it has a defective seal system assembly. Compressor needs to be replaced with the valve coil that's in the freezer. It needs a new condenser fan assembly, as well as new water inlet valve here. That's why you're not getting no water out of the dispenser, but you're having ice because that's a dual valve. So that needs to be replaced to get the water running again. So unfortunately, it needs major repair. Freezer when I came was set for 9 degrees, and freezer was set for 1 degree, and it was 9 degree in the freezer, and roughly around 41 to 44 in the fresh food section, and that should be right around 38, 39 degrees. Alright, so it's still making ice. That's because it's able to stay below 32 degrees. But eventually it will be getting warmer because of the seal system defect and all the issues going on. Alright.